Okay, hey, 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 hey. Bonjour, niche, Nanaboozhoo, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today, I'm Natasha, by the way, and the boys are here, Michael Lyons and Nanaboozhoo. And the song is, what's the song called again?
Um, Nothing to do with you.
All right, Nothing to Do with You. Take it away, boys.
But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.
Shed a tear 'cause I'm missing you. Still alright to smile. Girl, I think about you every day now. Was a time when I wasn't sure, but you set my mind at ease. Girl, you're in my heart now, na 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 na. Sad woman, take it slow now. All right, take two.
Take two.
You gonna pull out the guitar?
Oh, I was thinking maybe you want to do a little, what were you singing there?
Patience?
Yeah.
La 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 la. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little. Oh, I've been walking the streets tonight, just trying to get it right. It's hard to see with so many around. You know I don't like being stuck in the crowd, and the streets don't change, but maybe today I ain't got time for the game, 'cause I need you. Yeah, 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 well I need you. Ooh, I need you. Oh, I need you. Ooh, this time. Hey. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, Neiman Wayndom, Obanoogoom. Button your lip and don't let the shield slip. Take a fresh grip on your bulletproof mask. And if they try to break down your disguise with their questions, you can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. You put on your brave face and slip over the road for a jar, fixing your grin as you casually lean on the bar, laughing too loud at the rest of the world with the boys in the crowd. You can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. You believed in their stories of fame, fortune, and glory. Now you're lost in a haze of alcohol and soft middle age. The pie in the sky turned out to be miles too high. And you hide, hide, hide. Behind brown and mild eyes.
Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you.
How can you just leave me standing
alone in a world that's so cold?
A world that's so cold.
Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry.
Yeah. Oh, sweetie, that was great.
And I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. When sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lives. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Yeah, remember that? He was all like, take care of me, like you're my kid brother. You take care of me. Did you ever think of that? Ever once? Send Fredo out to do this. Send Fredo out to take care of that. Take care of some little unimportant nightclub here and there. Pick somebody up at the airport. I'm your older brother, Mike. I was stepped over. It ain't the way I wanted it. I can handle things. I'm smart. Not like everybody says. Like dumb. I'm smart and I want respect. Oh, geez. Oh, hey. Welcome back to the show. Remember that in Godfather, I think part 2? His brother Fredo. Oh, that was hilarious. I don't think The Godfather is supposed to be a comedy, but oh well, you gotta live that scene. So anyway, hey everyone, welcome back to the show.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. 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 Crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, crashing ashes, ashes, crashing all fall. 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 Crashing down, 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 crashing down. going on?
Yeah, should we wait until it's over?
I don't know. What do you think?
It should just be a second.
Okay. BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, Neiman Wendell, Momanungoon. When the fan stops running. This house is like a laundromat.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, everybody! Okay, there it goes.
All right.
Take 2. Hookah hey! BOOZHOO niche Anishinaabe Doog. And welcome back to BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Nanaboozhoo, and on guitar, Michael Lyons. So, please welcome Michael Lyons and Nanaboozhoo singing a song. Take it away, boys!
I took this walk to ease my mind, to find out what's gnawing at me. You wouldn't think to look at me, but I've spent a lot of time in education. It all seems so long ago. I'm a thinker, not a talker. I've no one to talk to anyway. I can't see the rain for the tears in my eyes. I live above the grocer's store, owned by an Austrian. He often calls me down to eat, and he jokes about his broken English, tries to be a friend to me. But for all my years of reading conversation, I stand without a word to say. I can't see the bridge for the rain in my eyes. And the world is full of life, full of folk who don't know me, and they walk in 2s or 3s or more, while the lamp that shines above the grocer's store investigates my face so rudely, and my essays lying scattered on the floor fulfill their needs just by being there. And my hands shake, my head hurts, my voice sticks inside my throat. I'm invisible and dumb, and no one will recall me. And I can't see the water for the tears in my eyes.
Oh, wow, you guys, that was really good. What's that song called?
That's Conversation Piece by David Bowie.
Conversation Piece. Wow, that's like a deep track, huh?
Yeah, it's not a very well-known song.
Conversation Piece by David Bowie. Oh, wow, and your singing was great, sweetie.
Oh, thank you.
Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, this is Nanaboozhoo, and that's Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minawa, Haoa!
Okay, BOOZHOO nish Nanaboozhoo, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo.
The podcast. I said that terribly. Want to try it again?
Yeah, okay. Okay, BOOZHOO nish Nanaboozhoo, and welcome back
To BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo.
the podcast
About Ojibwe language.
and culture. I am Nanaboozhoo.
And I am Natasha.
And today, we got a really good show, don't we, sweetie?
We sure do. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael Lyons.
Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of some foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk in her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream.
This is Randy Peone on KRES Radio, voice of the Coeur d'Alene Indian Reservation. It's time for the morning traffic report on this rainy bicentennial 4th of July. It's what Lester falls apart in the KRES traffic man down at the crossroads.
A place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. And what's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore.
A big truck just went by.
Night after night, going round and around my brain.
Just got a news bulletin that says
The street
and John
is driving me insane.
And remember, it's BYOF. Bring your own fireworks.
In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. take heed of the dream.
Oh, wow, that was great. Wasn't that good, sweetie?
Oh yeah, nice song, Michael. All right, there you have it. Michael Lyons singing. What was that song? It was called Gunner's Dream by Pink Floyd. Oh, I really like that song. All right, there you have it. Gunner's Dream.
By Pink Floyd. Oh, wow, not bad, huh?
Yeah, nice singing, Natasha.
Oh, thank you. All right, well, hey, I just want to say, miigwech bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Michael and Nanaboozhoo. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hawa. All right, you guys want to do another one?